are good. Good cuts. Very nice cuts. Thank you. Cannot do this myself at home. It's pretty good. First, and then I use deck screws. Deck screws. Got 5 sides on. Technically it's sturdy enough for me to jump on. There's a 3-in-1 where you can flip to the tall side, which is 30 inches, 24 inches, and then 18 inches. So 3-sided box. So I don't have a jigsaw. So that's all I'm doing, using the skill saw and then drill bit, and then use a hand saw to just get in there and cut out the handle. Here I'm going to cut this in half and have it up there so we can support the side and the bottom side, just in case we need to use both sides. Shave it down, around it so it feels nice, flush. So the screws cost me $14. The plywood costs $77 after tax. So if you were to buy it out there, 150 to 250 bucks depending. But this was about $100, maybe including the gas that I went to go pick it up. Good, solid box. So all I gotta do when the weather's nice is stain it.
after that, I'll be shaving the corners, rounding it out so it's not so sharp, and staining it with the natural stain. And I'm good to go for Plyometrics training. Yeah.